Hi class and happy Friday. Congratulations on making it through the first week of class. Just wanted to give you some kind of end of week announcements and something to think about as we go into the weekend. So as you hopefully know, we're into Unit 1. Due at midnight tonight is Assignment 2, which is giving you all the background information you need for this unit about what rhetorical situation is and genre. Due on Monday will be kind of an outline for the paper that will be due on Wednesday, where you're picking a piece and analyzing the genre. So that could be a piece like a political speech, ad, a album cover, whatever you find interesting. So that's going to be Unit 1, and that will wrap up for us on Wednesday. I'm sorry, I know it has to move along quick in this kind of winter course, but that's the way it goes. I don't want to confuse you, but as you're wrapping up Unit 1, I also want you to just begin thinking about Unit 2. So for Unit 2, we'll have two big things to do, the annotated bibliography and the research paper. If you look in the Unit 2 overview, then I describe what you need to do for the annotated bibliography. This is where you're looking critically at all the sources that you're going to be using for, if I keep scrolling down, the final project, the research essay. All right, for this research essay, and this is what I want you to maybe start thinking about over the weekend, is what kind of topic you might use. I want you to pick something that really matters to you, something that you're passionate about, something that you're going to care about to research for the rest of the semester. I found last semester something really effective is to have students choose a film. So maybe you have a topic in mind and then you can look for a film that matches your topic. Or if you're not sure what you want to do, a good thing to do is browse through some documentary topics on any streaming service that you might belong to, Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, or even Disney Plus. All of them have nice documentary libraries. And looking at those documentaries might give you an idea about where your interests lie. If you do not have any of those streaming services that you can get on, of course, do not subscribe to them just for this paper. The HCC Library Database has academic videos online. There's a link to it underneath this assignment. And so you can go to that website, Avon, and look at what videos are there. I found that with the videos, it gave students a nice background on their topic and maybe also help build that passion in them for whichever topic that they chose. And students really chose a really broader range of topics than I've ever gotten when I asked students to just randomly pick a topic for their research paper. If for some reason you cannot find a film, maybe you have a topic in mind that you really want to do and you can't find any film associated with it, just shoot me an email and we'll figure out what else you might be able to use as kind of that primary text, that spark for your passion project. But I'm letting you know this now because maybe over the weekend you want to start looking at films. That might be a time to have to look at films, and also, just start mulling over in your mind what you might want this topic to be, because this is the topic we'll be working with until the end of the semester. I think that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me as always. Have a good weekend. Take care of yourselves. And I'll be online all weekend. So if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Thanks, class. Bye-bye.